Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering and living a simpler life with less. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are one of my regular followers, welcome back. I'm so glad all of you are here. So today I'm going to be talking about decluttering in steps using a checklist. So decluttering your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. The secret is to simplify the process by breaking it down into steps. So when you follow a simple checklist, you remove that guesswork. It reduces the decision fatigue and it also makes you help to make progress without all of that stress. So today I'm going to share a step-by-step checklist that makes decluttering feel almost effortless. So my first step is to start with the first 5 items. So the hardest part of decluttering for most people is just getting started. That's why step number 1 is so important because it includes instant wins. And when you have an instant win, you not only get started, but it helps you to motivate you to do more. So try this at home. And if you can, start right now. Grab 5 items that you know that you can immediately toss or donate. It could be expired foods, junk mail, worn out towels, anything that's obvious. So these are no-brainer decisions. They build momentum and they set the tone for your future success. My second step is to clear out one high-impact area. So some spaces make a bigger difference than others when it comes to clutter in your home. So decluttering just one visible area instantly makes that part of your home feel lighter and much more peaceful. So if you can, try this right now. Choose one high-impact zone. It could be your kitchen counter, the mudroom, a coffee table. Clear everything off, then put back only the things that are essential. And seeing that clean space, it's clutter-free, it's going to make you want to keep going. So if you're motivated, try another high-impact area, and then keep doing this every single day, and you're going to notice a big difference because then it's become a habit. And step number 3, follow the one room, one task method. So decluttering a whole room in one decluttering session can be completely overwhelming. I've done it and I don't really recommend it, but decluttering just one category at a time in that same room is manageable. So instead of, jumping from one room to the next, focus on one category per room. So for instance, decluttering just the clothes in your bedroom, just the toiletries in the bathroom, or just the papers in your home office. Keeping it focused produces much better results long term. Step number 4 is use the 5-box decluttering system. So if you've ever gotten stuck trying to decide what to do with an item when you're decluttering, you're definitely not alone. So decision fatigue and decision paralysis, those are some of the biggest obstacles when it comes to decluttering. That's why I recommend the 5-box method to keep you moving. So if you set up some labeled boxes, the first one would be keep, for those things that truly belong in your home, things that you want, you need, and you will use. The next one is donate, for items that are in good condition that could serve someone else. And then the next one is sell, for those valuable items that you're willing to put the time in to sell them. And then the next one is the trash box, for things that are broken, expired, or beyond repair. And then the last one is the revisit box. So those are for the things that you can't decide on right now. And that last box, the revisit box, is really amazing because it helps you move forward without getting stuck. So set a reminder to check your revisit box in that 30 to 60 time frame that you've designated. And if you haven't missed it, chances are you don't need it, and you might be willing to let it go. And my last step today is end your day with a 5-minute reset. So decluttering is most effective when it becomes a habit. So that's why the final step, number 5, is basically maintenance. So if you try this, set a 5-minute timer at the end of your day to tidy up a small area of your home. It could be the kitchen counter, the desktop, your living room, and ultimately a lot of those spaces, but just try 5 minutes and one space. So this daily reset prevents clutter from piling up and it keeps your space organized with very little effort, actually. So the bottom line is decluttering doesn't have to be stressful, doesn't have to be overwhelming. When you use a checklist, you eliminate the overwhelm and you make real progress every day, step by step. And to make it even easier, you might want to consider grabbing my Essentials Minimalist checklist. It's a guided roadmap to a clutter-free home. It's just $2.99. You can check the link below if you're interested in it. So if this has helped you, please hit like, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel and have other people subscribe too if you think this would benefit them. And then also make sure you share these videos to anyone who might need a simple system to get started and to stay organized. So I'll see you next week for more 5 in 5 tips. In the meanwhile, keep it simple, keep it stress-free.